Today I'm going to show you the top 5 stretches for shoulder pain relief in seconds without any special equipment. Hi, Dr. Malka here, your chiropractor and acupuncturist practicing in Los Angeles, California. And these stretches are going to be focused mainly on the muscles of the chest and this upper shoulder area, because those are the ones that, when they are tight, they can cause shoulder pain. I'm going to hold these stretches with you for 30 seconds, and you can pick and choose which ones you like and hold them for a minute or even more. The first shoulder stretch is traction. If you can do just one, this is the one I choose. Have your body at a 90-degree angle, and then drop your arm down and just rotate the arm like so. You can swing it back and forth. And try, instead of using your arm muscles, try to sway your body and keep your arm completely relaxed. If you want to intensify this, just grab a weight or a bottle or a can that maybe is about a pound or so, and then just use that. And I can even feel this a little more intense just with this bottle of rubbing alcohol, which is 2 pounds. The second exercise is to clasp your hands behind your back and squeeze your shoulder blades together, lifting the arms up to stretch the chest. And if you're too stiff to get your hands together, you can simply use a towel or a pillowcase and just do the action like this, always trying to crawl your fingers in and get it close together as much as you can without causing pain. The next stretch is to stretch these upper trap muscles. I'm going to assume this is the affected shoulder. You can either sit on your hand or put your arm behind your back to drop this shoulder down. Bring your head, ear to the shoulder, drop it down, and put your hand here and push up against your hand like this without changing the range of motion for 10 seconds with 10% of your strength, and then relax. See if you can drop your head down more. And again. Press up against your hand in this direction, but without changing the range of motion for 10 seconds with 10% of your strength. And then relax. See if you can drop the neck a little more. And again, the face is pointed forward. Put the hand on the head and push up against the hand for 10 seconds with 10% of your strength. You might see this stretch in a lot of my videos, and that's because this upper trapezius is really central, whether you have headache pain, shoulder pain, chest pain. And let's do that one more time. Drop the head over the side, push up against the hand for 10 seconds with 10% of your strength. And repeat to the other side if you have shoulder pain on both sides. For the next stretch, put your arm across your body like so. Obviously, the affected arm. And while it's across, I want you to straighten out the arm and roll your arm back and forth like this, rotating palm out, palm in. This is stretching different rotator cuff muscles. So if any point you're tight, just hold that. So as I'm going around this range of motion, I feel a little more tightness in here. I might use 15 of my 30 seconds to just hold this. And keep in mind, if you do feel tightness, you can hold it for a minute or two. And once again, repeat to the other side if this is the affected shoulder. The next shoulder stretch is to bring the arm down like this and the other hand up like this, and try to reach your hands. If you can't reach your hands, once again, you can use an assist with a towel or a pillowcase, and you can even try to really pull up with the upper hand and then crawl down, and then pull up, crawl down, and see how close you could get your hands together. Regardless if only one shoulder is hurting, you'll want to do this exercise on both sides. So let's do the other side. Bring the towel over, clasp with the other hand, and crawl down, pull up, and crawl down, pull up, and crawl down, until you feel a nice stretch, but without pain. And you'll notice too that you'll be able to get closer on one side or the other. Even if you don't have shoulder pain, we always have one side of our body that's tighter than the other. And hold this for 30 seconds. Every once in a while, try pulling up and crawling down. But make sure that you're not causing any pain. Your body will release when it wants to, not when you want it to. So be kind and gentle to your body. So if your shoulders feel nice and loose after all this, go ahead and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and share with your friends, because they might benefit from this or other videos I've made. We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. and I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.